Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by Let's continue setting up our Telegram bot, and today we'll break down one of the most important tools, the payment block. This is exactly what allows you to monetize your ideas and accept payments directly in Telegram. Right off the bat, I want to draw your attention to a crucial detail. Don't confuse the payment block with the subscription block. The subscription block is strictly used to check whether a user is actually subscribed to a specific Telegram channel. Usually, it's placed at the very beginning of the bot's flow to give free access to some valuable material only to your followers. The payment block, on the other hand, is all about real transactions and making money. Setting up this block is incredibly simple and intuitive. You specify the desired amount, choose the currency, and after a successful payment, the client gets immediate access to your premium content, AI features, or any other exclusive services. There's also a great built-in promo code feature. You can create your own unique promo code for a percentage discount, let's say 10%. If your base service costs 100 euros, the client enters the promo code and pays only 90. You can set a specific expiration date for this promo code or limit its validity to a certain number of months. In addition to one-time payments, the block supports recurring payments, meaning you can sell access on a subscription basis that renews every month. And here's an amazing feature, a free trial period. How does this work in practice? You give the client, for example, 10 days of free test access. Upon activation, the user's card is authorized in the system. If they don't cancel the subscription within these 10 days, the service will automatically charge them for the first month and continue to bill them going forward. It's an ideal tool for boosting your conversion rates. To make all this financial magic work, the payment block needs to be connected to a reliable payment gateway. This is done in just a couple of clicks. Go to your bot's individual settings, find the Stripe integration section, and simply paste the two keys you get from your Stripe account. Thanks to this integration, your clients will be able to pay for your services in whatever way is most convenient for them, whether it's Google Pay, Apple Pay, standard bank cards, or even local regional banking services. Everything works with absolute stability, security, and maximum convenience for your buyer.